What's up, boys? So today I got the Valentis. Me and Zach just got back from a meet, and it was honestly the gayest meet ever. Yeah, not going back to it. To do this, you just got to take out 4 bolts on each side. They're 8mm. I will take these off, put the Valentis back on, show you what it looks like. So on the Valentis, you have this little switch right here, and this is for the sequential light feature. There's a little black garment on these. Go ahead and leave that on because the stock one has them. And then of course you just don't want to mess it up. Just leave them on, put them on, and the install should be done. And this is a prime example of why it's always a good time to live with your best friend, because then you ain't gotta do a damn thing. I didn't do shit. Just kidding. What'd you do there, Zach?
Chill out, bitch.
What'd you do there, bud?
Nut.
You what?
I lost a nut.
Fucking dude lost a fucking nut.
Oh, that's way down there.
Way down there. Yeah, let's go ahead and fuck everything else up that's not even bolted down. So Zach's in the car right now. He's about to turn them on for the first time. Hey, hit the brake. And now flip on the headlights. Sick. What you think, Papa? What you think, Papa? Don't mind that, it looks like shit. I said the trunk looks like shit. Papa. Just like your fucking car. Get an Audi, they said. It'll be fun, they said. I can't afford to go out to eat. Head ass. What you doing there, bud? What game you playing? Or what porn side you on? You watching porn?
Pornhub, that OG shit.
Sponsor my boy, Pornhub. Sponsor my boy. Tail lights, they look super cool. Zach sort of got mad at me earlier today, and I'll show you why, but I love it. Not so much him. But I spent $75 on this Dragon Ball Z statue that has Vegeta and Trunks in it. It's from Dragon Ball Super. Literally the entire time I was looking to buy it, Zach was like, hashtag car parts. But yeah. So, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.